Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slots. Hopefully, everyone had a wonderful evening. We're in front of Red Ball Bingo. We got 100 in the machine. It's as I said, Red Ball Bingo. We're at the wonderful and great atmosphere High Winds Casino here in Miami, Oklahoma. We're gonna go ahead and started off pretty warmed up here. We're gonna go ahead. It's a 5-cent machine, and we're gonna go ahead and start off with $4. We're gonna do a couple spins on it to see how well it's warmed up to. Our main goal is try to get the pick of the pot or a couple of red spins. That's what we're trying to do. It's one of the old games that we used to play way back when. Almost had it, almost. Since we're getting close to St. Patrick's Day, I figure, well, let's try to go ahead and get something in the theme. Oh, come on now. We're already in for $40. Let's go ahead. Couple more. Let's try. That's $2 there. There we go. That was inside corners. Got inside corners again. Come on there, pick a pot. Come on there, lucky Leprechaun. Be nice to AAZ Slots. Well, we got another inside corner. Inside corners again. Seems like the 4 blue clover being good. Come on now. Let's get a castle or rainbow. That would have been real good there. That would have been 3,000 credits. Oh, come on now. Well, let's bet it up from 2 to, let's go to 3. That should be 3. Gave us open V. Oh, get together. Let's hit max the rest of the way. That should be 5. We get 6 of these babies. Okay there, Mr. Leprechaun, be good for AAZ slots. You got inside corners. Oh, almost. Come on, rainbows, get together now. Well, got 3 more. Two more. And last one. And nope. Well, the red ball bingo lucky leprechaun was not so lucky for 2 AAZ slots. So hopefully the next coming videos would be a little bit better. So this is if you guys enjoyed this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And for those loyal subscribers, or for those subscribers or those viewers that has yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots family, please go ahead and do so. AAZ Slots is getting close to 500, so we're inching our way up there. So if you haven't, pass it on to your family and friends. Keep in mind this channel is for your entertainment. So hopefully you guys stay safe, and see you on the next one.